My internship at the Bigelow Labs was one of the most rewarding and amazing experiences I've had so far as an undergraduate at UNE. My role in the Maria program was to conduct experiments in culture algae. This allowed me to gain a lot of independence in the lab setting and connect with scientists to really grow my career development.
We are beginning year 2 of a new National Science Foundation funded project called the Maine Algal Research Infrastructure and Accelerator, or the Maria project. This project is focused on building an ecosystem by which we can translate algal innovations into the bioeconomy. And it leverages the research expertise in the state of Maine. It leverages our workforce development expertise through university partners like the University of New England, as well as partnering with business development agencies.
Bigelow Lab is a world-class research institution, and it's really not far from UNE, so it's a really perfect natural partner for us.
We always wanted to collaborate and get the students of UNE over here, and this was just a great opportunity to build that bridge.
So working with UNE has been great. They're incredibly engaged in the process, and they see a shared vision with us for how workforce development actually will help the economy of Maine.
The Maria internship was designed to be a multi-year process that involved students every single year from UNE. The goal was to try to bring students into these opportunities and have them learn about the different kinds of things that they could potentially do with some of the skills that they're already learning here at UNE.
Participating in this internship was really helpful, like amazingly helpful. It gave me a great feel of what research would be like and what lab setting it would be like.
I'm super proud of these students. I told the students, you should take advantage of every opportunity that's thrown your way because you're going to meet some incredible people, and they did.
Life is about experiences, so take every experience you can get, and this was a really good opportunity to grow and develop as a scientist, as a person, on a professional level. I'm very happy that I did this internship.